If you wanted to bring your quilting outside of your craft room, meet the Cutie.
Do you know what's really cute? Quilting with your cuties while camping. Quilt while walking. Quilt while road tripping. Look at us go. Quilting is so easy with the Cutie. You can quilt literally anywhere. Bring your cutie to the park. Even quilt in a movie theater. Quilt while ordering your dinner. Can I please have 2 medium frozen lemonades?
Of course you can.
Quilt in carpool lane.
Not again, Mom. You're embarrassing me, Mom.
Just get in the car. Did you know you can fit any domestic machine onto the Cutie frame? It's lightweight, portable. You can take it practically anywhere.
For more information on the Cutie, head to graceframe.com and check it out.